Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Is Bitcoin in trouble? That's BTC, not BSV, Satoshi's Vision, the white paper, the real Bitcoin. But BTC is in trouble. Let me bring to you this breaking news. Just come on in. One of our investors, one of our researchers has just sent into the show. Peru Invest sent this information in. BTC is in trouble. According to the UK High Court, 1,100,111 Bitcoin, which is held in Tulip Trust, stolen coin from Craig Wright, either has got frozen or given to Craig Wright. If Craig Wright doesn't have the key, then it will be frozen. So this is breaking news on the Day Trader with regard to BTC. And Peru says, who's never been right, by the way, it's never been right, who's never been wrong on our investments, has brought us this information this morning. What does that mean for Bitcoin? Well, of course, Bitcoin over the last few days has been dropping. BSV is going up. There's a lot of news in the media at the moment with Craig Wright, BSV, Bitcoin. But our prediction is this is just coming in now from Peru again. BSV holders will soon be millionaires. Right now, you can buy a BSV for 50 odd bucks. My average, as you can see here, if I go over to my average, you will see my average is $50. In fact, I'll go to my trading screen. You'll see it better. Here we go. It's actually showing my average is $50.60. All right. So I have 3 Bitcoin now, if 3 BSV. If this goes up to 40,000, I'll have 120,000, right? Out of an investment of $177. Less than that, in fact, $150. All right. So there you go. Pretty good, right? So why not? BSV. Is BSV the real Bitcoin? What do you think? It does follow the white paper. No question about that. A lot of people are talking Craig Wright down, but he's won a few court cases recently. At the end of the day, Bitcoin, BTC, is only as valuable as it is because that so many people have bought into it. Any stock can go up if everyone buys it. Any asset, any coin can go up if everyone buys it. It's a simple fact. It's the way it works. Now you've got people like Michael Saylor, influencers, telling you to buy BTC. Do you understand it? We did a poll here live on the show, and most people that actually bought BTC after watching Michael Saylor said to me live in a poll on our channel, they didn't understand what he was actually saying, but they bought it anyway. That's a live poll we did on our show. It tells you people will buy anything. People are lazy and they all want to become millionaires for doing nothing, buying crypto. So right now, BTC gets all the attention. People think Bitcoin is the ultimate thing in the world. I have some, not much. People then buy into it because it was the original. It was the first cut to come out, even though it wasn't technically the original. And then everybody's buying in thinking they're all going to become millionaires. That's the only reason why Bitcoin has gone up. I'm not rubbishing Bitcoin, even though technically it's nowhere near as powerful and nowhere near as beneficial and powerful as BSV is. That's a fact, right? Nevertheless, people are buying into it because of hype. Period. Now, whether that hype is credible or not is you decide. But at the end of the day, when people buy in millions and millions of Bitcoin and everybody else follows, up goes the price. That's it. Remember, any of this stuff could go to zero at any moment. We've seen it already. We've seen other coins crash to zero just because everyone starts selling out and some bad news. So if bad news continues for BTC, like we've just been learning about, then Bitcoin, BTC, could go to zero. What will that mean? That means the money will go into BSV because people will realize, hang on a minute, we've been backing the wrong horse. We've been following Michael Saylor rather than the creator of Bitcoin. I'm just saying that's potentially where we are right now. So you could become a millionaire once again, by being lazy, by simply buying a $50 coin right now on BSV. Who knows? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. Is BSV the real Bitcoin? Is BSV about to go up? This news that we've just had in from our angel investor is pretty compelling, is pretty Powerful stuff. BTC is in trouble. According to the High Court, 1,100,111. Interesting why it's 1111, isn't it? Which is held in the Tulip Trust, stolen coin from Craig Wright. Either got frozen or given to Craig Wright. If Craig Wright doesn't hold the key, it'll be frozen. What do you think? I'd love to get your comments below about this, but this is probably the biggest news story of the day we've had for a while. So very, very exciting stuff. Take care of yourselves and each other.